What if I told you the strongest animal on Earth isn't an elephant or a gorilla, but a bug smaller than your fingernail? Welcome to Wild Rankings, where nature's most incredible creatures compete for the crown. Today, we're counting down the strongest animals in the world. From muscle-bound mammals to insects that redefine strength, these animals are unmatched in their ability to lift, crush, drag, and dominate their environments. Let's get into the top 10. Starting off at number 10 is the crocodile. It doesn't lift weights, it crushes them. With the strongest bite force in the animal kingdom, over 3,700 pounds per square inch. This prehistoric predator can snap bones like twigs. That's 10 times stronger than a great white shark's bite. Once it clamps down, there's no escape. Next up is the ox, the powerhouse of the farm world. This animal is bred for one thing: pulling heavy loads. A single ox can haul more than 2,000 pounds without breaking a sweat. It's nature's version of a diesel engine. At number 8, we've got the eagle, a bird of prey that's not only fierce, but freakishly strong for its size. A harpy eagle can lift animals 3 to 4 times its own body weight mid-flight. Think of a human lifting a refrigerator and flying away with it. The green anaconda slithers into number 7. It doesn't rely on speed or venom, just raw power. It coils around prey and squeezes with crushing force, enough to stop blood flow and break bones. Some can weigh over 500 pounds, making them the heaviest snakes in the world.
What?
Number 6 is the tiger, the largest and strongest of the big cats. Tigers can drag prey twice their size, even up trees or uphill. With explosive leg power and jaw strength, this apex predator is basically a striped tank with claws. Coming in at number 5 is the African elephant, the heavyweight champion of land animals. With trunks that can lift up to 1,300 pounds and legs like tree trunks, it's a mobile mountain. Its total body strength is unmatched on land, but there are smaller animals with even greater pound-for-pound strength. Number 4 is the grizzly bear. A single swipe from its paw can knock out a bison or flip a full-grown elk. Grizzlies have been seen lifting over 1,100 pounds and running at 35 miles per hour. Imagine a bodybuilder that can sprint like a sprinter. At number 3 is the Silverback Gorilla, pure muscle packed into 400 pounds of fury. Gorillas are estimated to be 10 times stronger than the average human. They can lift over 1,800 pounds and crush bamboo with their bare hands.
Jimmy, you're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Jimmy, you're okay. You're okay. You're okay.
In second place, the leafcutter ant. This tiny insect can carry objects up to 50 times its own body weight. That's the equivalent of a human lifting a small car. With their teeth, in the world of insects, it's a superhero. And at number 1, the Dung Beetle, the strongest creature on the planet relative to size. It can pull over 1,000 times its own body weight. That's like a person dragging 6 double-decker buses. Pound for pound, no one comes close. Honorable mentions include the rhinoceros beetle, jaguar, and saltwater crocodile, each strong in their own way. Which animal blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Wild Rankings for more amazing animal showdowns.